All right, so I'm gonna walk. Yeah. Oh, really? A Texan walking in 12 inches of snow? Come on. Hi, my name's Andrew Golly. I'm with DrilRIte Chemicals. We're up here in beautiful Grand Rapids, Michigan, enjoying this weather from Texas. We are with AIS Construction Company, and we've been up here all week doing mud schools at various locations. We've had a great turnout. We've talked all types of drilling fluids, additives, and best drilling practices to help these guys get their pipe in the ground in a fast, efficient, and safe way. It's been a lot of fun. So with that, anyway, I'd like to thank Craig, Mark, and Corey for putting this together. And it hasn't snowed too much on us, so it's been a really good time. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you down the road. I'm freezing.